Back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 10 healthy meal planning ideas that will save you time, boost your energy, and keep you eating clean all week long. Let's jump right in. Before cooking anything, sit down and write a simple weekly menu. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, nothing fancy. A little planning today saves you hours during the week. Double your recipes. If you're making chicken, quinoa, or soup, cook extra. Tomorrow's lunch is already done, stress-free. Wash, peel, and chop your veggies right after shopping. Store them in containers and boom, fast meals and healthier choices instantly. Chicken breast, turkey, fish, beans, tofu. These are your meal prep heroes. They keep you full without the unhealthy fats. Swap white rice and pasta for quinoa, brown rice or whole grain pasta. More nutrients, better digestion, and longer energy. Meal planning isn't just about meals. Prep snacks like Greek yogurt, nuts, chopped fruits, or hummus. This helps you avoid junk food traps during the day. The more color, the more nutrients. Mix greens, reds, oranges, and purples. Your body will thank you. Glass containers or BPA-free plastic make a big difference. Your food stays fresh, organized, and ready to grab and go. Take 1 to 2 hours every Sunday to cook staples: rice, roasted veggies, grilled chicken, lentils. Your week becomes easier instantly. Don't overcomplicate it. Healthy meal planning doesn't need fancy recipes. Stay flexible, switch things around, and enjoy the process. And that's it. 10 healthy meal planning ideas to make your week healthier and easier. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.